This is the first video in my Halloween series, and it's also a collaboration with H. Ali Crafts. Link to his channel is below. Make sure to watch his video of this beautiful Sally doll. I love Sally so much, and his is amazing. This series is inspired by one of the creepiest places in the Pokeverse. That's right, Lavender Town, where ghost Pokemon like to hang out, and the tower is the final resting place for Pokemon who have died. We're going back to Gen 1 and making creepy versions of the starter Pokemon. Squirtle is first up, so let's get started on this undead, creepy Squirtle repaint.
Squirtle.
This Laguna will make a good base for Squirtle. I'm removing the hair, and she gets a dunk in hot water for head removal purposes. And eek, it's a spider! Nope, it's just a spooky towel, and I will admit that I use these towels all year round. While the head is still warm, I remove the hair and gunk from inside. I remove her factory paint with acetone. She won't be needing her fins, so off they come. That was satisfying. She has 2 left hands, so let's give her new ones. I'll be using the hands from Perry and Pearl. You can watch her repaint video by clicking on the info card. I've prepped the body for pastels by sanding and spraying MSC. After blushing, the hands blend right in. I added shimmer to the body, and this is before spraying. After spraying, it becomes more subtle. On to my favorite part. I sketch out the eyes in a light color, and once I'm happy with it, then I go over it in a darker pencil. I want her to have white out eyes and a lot of eye wrinkles. I gave her one eyebrow to see how I would like it, and I decided to leave her eyebrowless. I think having no eyebrows adds to the wide-eyed, creepy look. I want the hollows around her eyes to be dark, so I'll be building up the intensity of the pastels. I'm using a blending stomp to smudge the gray pencil. I'm adding white freckles to give the face more texture, and also because white freckles are just adorable. And her face is done, and I did gloss her lips off camera, and I decided to leave her eyes unglossed. As promised, I'm showing how I reuse doll hair. Obviously you can reroot with it, but it will be shorter. If you want to keep the length, you can make weft the same way you would make yarn wefts. And that's really all there is to it. It's a good way to recycle and also save money on purchasing doll hair. Onto her shell. I use craft foam and fabric to create a shell that will be attached to her leotard. For the lining that goes around the shell, I sewed a narrow tube and stuffed it with yarn fluff. And let me tell you, turning this thing out was no easy task. I use Fabri-Tac to add on the fabric that makes up the undershell, and I stuff it with more yarn fluff. I'm painting the fabric white because I didn't have an appropriate white fabric. And now I'm varnishing the shell. I'm freehanding a pattern for the tail. Normally I would make the tail from foam clay, but I'm making an effort to sew more and improve my sewing skills. I also like the look of a fabric tail for this series, and I want all of them to match each other. I made this leotard and will be attaching this shell and the tail permanently to the back on the side that has the Velcro underneath. I made these little turtle shells as decoration. And I also customized a pair of Monster High shoes. I also made some removable arm and leg wraps. Let's see her all put together! And here is a photo of both dolls together. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and like this video if you liked it. I love interacting with you in the comment section. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. Stay tuned for the next Pokemon in this series. Bye!